Hello again. We are often conditioned to believe that love is a destination, a final port where you drop your anchor, unpack your soul, and become an open book. But in the primal architecture of desire, the moment a woman is fully possessed is the moment the pursuit begins to wither. The greatest mistake is believing that intimacy requires the death of mystery. True magnetism isn't found in how much of yourself you give away, but in what you carefully protect. If you want to be pursued for a lifetime, you must stop being a convenience and start being a destination. You must become the woman who is loved deeply but never fully conquered. The core principle of any high-value interaction is the law of scarcity. In the world of human emotion, when a resource is infinite and always available, its perceived value drops to zero. Many women mistakenly believe that more is better. More communication, more presence, more reassurance. However, intimacy without mystery is merely a habit. To keep him chasing, you must understand that your absence is just as vital as your presence. Absence creates the vacuum of thought. It is the silent psychological space where attraction actually grows. He doesn't fall in love while he is looking at you. He falls in love while he is thinking about you in your absence. It is during the hours when you are not texting him and when you are busy building your own empire that he begins to internalize your worth. To implement this, you must master the art of the slow reveal. For example, when he asks about your past or your deep motivations, do not offer a 3-hour monologue on the first date. Instead, offer a glimpse, a single intriguing story that leaves him wanting more. If he asks about your childhood, tell him one beautiful or funny memory, then shift the focus back to the present. By revealing yourself in layers, you provide him with mini victories, keeping the thrill of discovery alive for years. If he feels he knows everything in the first week, his brain will naturally switch from hunter mode to settled mode, and the chase effectively ends. To maintain the chase, you must understand the dopamine loop. Dopamine is not the chemical of pleasure. It is the chemical of anticipation. It is what drives a person to seek and to work. When a man knows exactly when you will text and exactly what you will say, his dopamine levels flatline. To keep him in pursuit, you must introduce positive unpredictability. This does not mean being erratic. It means having a life so dynamic that he cannot map your every move. For instance, if you usually text him good night at 10 p.m., occasionally be out at a gallery opening or a late dinner with friends, only replying the next morning with warmth. This creates a healthy unknown that keeps his brain flooded with the dopamine of anticipation. This leads into investment theory. Human beings value what they invest in. If you do all the driving, all the planning, and all the emotional labor, you are the one investing, which means you are the one getting more attached. To keep him chasing, you must allow him to labor for you. Consider the scenario where you want to go to a specific concert. Instead of buying the tickets and sending him the calendar invite, mention the band in passing and say, "I've heard their live show is incredible. I'd love to see them sometime." By letting him do the research and secure the seats, he exerts effort on your behalf. His brain justifies that effort by increasing his perceived value of you. He thinks, "I'm doing all this because she must be incredibly special." If you take away his opportunity to provide or protect, you take away his ability to invest, and without investment, there is no chase. Communication is the primary theater where the chase is won or lost. The most attractive form of communication is reactive, not proactive. Proactive communication, constantly reaching out to check in or bridge the silence, signals anxiety and a deep-seated need for validation. Reactive communication means you are a responder. You are warm, engaging, and witty when he reaches out, but you are perfectly content in the silence when he doesn't. This creates a communication vacuum. Imagine he hasn't reached out for a full day. Rather than sending a checking in text, you use that day to focus entirely on your own growth. When he finally does reach out, you respond with genuine warmth, not resentment, showing that your happiness was never dependent on his ping. Furthermore, we must practice the economy of words. In the early stages, less is more. When you send long paragraphs and he responds with 3 words, the value exchange is imbalanced. To flip this, your responses should be slightly shorter or equal to his. Be the one to end the conversation first when the energy is at its peak. For example, if you are having a brilliant phone call and you are both laughing, say, "I'm having such a great time talking to you, but I've got to run to my yoga class or meeting. Let's talk soon." By leaving him on a cliffhanger, you ensure he spends the rest of the day looking forward to the next time he can get that high energy interaction back from you. Many women fear that saying no will end the chase. In reality, no is the ultimate aphrodisiac. A woman who says no demonstrates that she has a set of internal values more important than his temporary approval. This signals high status. For example, if a man asks you to come over and chill for the first time on a Friday night at 9 p.m., a low status response is to go because you want to see him. A high status response is, "That sounds cozy, but I save my Friday nights for proper dates out. I'd love to see you when we can actually grab a drink or dinner." You aren't being difficult. You are setting the price of admission. A man of quality is not driven away by a boundary. He is intrigued by it. It proves you are a prize that must be won through respect rather than a convenience available on his terms. The chase lives in the space between challenge and reward. If you are all challenge and no reward, he will give up. If you are all reward and no challenge, he will get bored. The sweet spot is being easy to be with, but hard to get. This means that when you are together, the experience is seamless, joyful, and warm, the reward. You are the woman who laughs easily, listens well, and radiates positivity. But getting your time and exclusive attention remains a consistent challenge. You keep the bar high, but you make the view from the top so beautiful that he never wants to stop climbing. The final stage focuses on emotional self-sovereignty. The chase only continues as long as you remain the sun in your own solar system. The moment you make him the sun and you become a planet orbiting him, the gravity of the relationship shifts and the chase collapses. To keep him pursuing you, you must never lose your edges. This means maintaining a life that is so fulfilling that his presence is a bonus, not a necessity. For instance, if he cancels a plan, don't stay home and wait for him to call. Instead, immediately pivot to a hobby or a night out with your own friends. You must remain a foreign country that he is constantly trying to map out. True magnetism comes from a woman who is genuinely content alone. When you don't need a man to complete you, you become a want. And in the world of human desire, we always chase what we want far more intensely than what we need. By maintaining your independence, your mystery, and your high standards, you create a perpetual motion machine of attraction. He will chase you because you are a person of high value who is constantly evolving, and he knows that if he stops showing up at his best, he might just lose the most interesting person he's ever met. You are not a puzzle to be solved and cast aside. You are a landscape that changes with the seasons. Never apologize for your standards. Never shrink to make him feel larger, and never let your phone become the center of your universe. The man who is worthy of you will not only enjoy the chase, he will find his purpose in it. Keep your crown high, your world large, and your heart protected behind the veils of mystery. Let the chase begin and let it never truly end. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like and subscribe to join our community of high-value women who are rewriting the rules of modern attraction. Thank you.